Lesson 3 Reproductive Health. Book back 1 mark. Which of the following is correct regarding HIV, hepatitis B, gonorrhea, and trichomoniasis? HIV is a pathogen, whereas others are diseases. Which one of the following groups includes sexually transmitted diseases? Syphilis, chlamydiasis, and gonorrhea. Identify the correct statements from the following. Both syphilis and gonorrhea are easily cured with antibiotics. Fourth one, a contraceptive pill prevents ovulation by inhibiting release of follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Fifth one, the approach which does not give the defined action of contraceptive is vasectomy prevents spermatogenesis. Next we will go to directly one more question, 8th one. Select the incorrect action of hormonal contraceptive pills from the following. Inhibition of spermatogenesis. Fourth lesson, principles of inheritance and variation. First question, hemophilia is more common in males because it is a recessive trait carried by X chromosome. ABO blood group in man is controlled by multiple alleles. 3 children of a family have blood groups A, AB and B. What could be the genotypes of their parents? IA, IO, IB, IO. Which of the following is not correct? Multiple alleles made at different loci of a chromosome. Fifth question, which of the following phenotypes in the progeny are possible from the parental? A, B, AB and O. Which of the following phenotypes is not possible in the progeny of the parental? Answer, O. Which of the following is true about Rh factor in the offspring of a parental? Combination DD into DD, both Rh positive. Answer, about 1/4 will be Rh negative. What can be the blood group of offspring when both parents have AB blood group? Answer, AB and AB. If the child's blood group is O and the father's blood group is A and mother's blood group is B, the genotype of the parents will be IA, IO and IB, IO. XO type of sex determination and XY type of sex determination are examples of male heterogamity. In an accident, there is great loss of blood and there is no time to analyze the blood group. Which blood can be safely transferred? O and Rh negative. Father of a child is colorblind and mother is carrier for colorblindness. The probability of the child being colorblind is 50%. A marriage between a colorblind man and a normal woman produces all carrier daughters and normal sons. Mongolism is a genetic disorder which is caused by the presence of an extra chromosome number 21. Klinefelter syndrome is characterized by a karyotype of XXY. Females with Turner syndrome have, answer all of these: small uterus, rudimentary ovaries, underdeveloped breasts. Fatu syndrome is also referred to as 13 trisomy. Universal donor and universal recipients blood group are O and AB respectively. Eject W and eject system of sex determination occurs in all of these. Codominant blood group is A, B. Which of the following is incorrect regarding eject type of sex determination? Females are homogametic and males are heterogametic. Fifth lesson, molecular genetics. First question. Hesse and Chas experiment with bacteriophages showed that DNA is the genetic material. DNA and RNA are similar with respect to nucleotide containing sugars, nitrogen bases and phosphates. A mRNA molecule is produced by transcription. The total number of nitrogenous bases in human genome is estimated to be about 3.1 billion. E. coli cell grown on 15N medium are transferred to 14N medium and allowed to grow for 2 generations. DNA extracted from these cells is ultracentrifuged in a cesium chloride density gradient. What density distribution of DNA would you expect in this experiment? One low and one intermediate density band. What is the basis for the difference in the synthesis of the leading and lagging strand of DNA molecules? DNA polymerase can join new nucleotides only to the 3 days end of the growing strand. Which of the following is the correct sequence of event with reference to the central dogma? Replication, transcription, translation. Which of the following statements about DNA replication is not correct? Replication occurs as each base is paired with another exactly like it. Which of the following statements is not true about DNA replication in eukaryotes? These are numerous different bacterial chromosomes with replication occurs in each at the same time. The first codon to be deciphered was UUU, which codes for phenylalanine. Michelson and Strygal experiment proved semi-conservative nature of DNA replication. Ribosomes are composed of 2 subunits. The smaller subunit of a ribosome has a binding site for mRNA and the larger subunit has 2 binding sites for 2tRNA. An operon is a cluster of structural genes with related functions. When lactose is present in the culture medium, both A and B are correct. Next we are going to see 6th lesson, evolution. The first life on earth originated in water. Who published the book Origin of Species by Natural Selection in 1859? Charles Darwin. Third question. Which of the following was the contribution of Hugo Dury's theory of mutation? The wings of birds and butterflies is an example of convergent evolution. The phenomenon of industrial melanism demonstrates natural selection. Darwin's pinches are an excellent example of adaptive radiation. Who proposed the germ plasm theory? August Weismann. The age of fossils can be determined by carbon dating. Fossils are generally found in sedimentary rocks. Evolutionary history of an organism is called phylogeny. The golden age of reptiles was Mesozoic era. Which period was called the age of fishes? Devonian. Modern man belongs to which period? Quaternary. The Neanderthal man had the brain capacity of 1400 cc. Next is 7th lesson, human health and diseases. First question. A 30-year-old woman has bleeding diarrhea for the past 14 hours. Which one of the following organisms is likely to cause this disease? Shigella dysenteriae. Exoerythrocytic schizogony of Plasmodium takes place in liver. The sporozoites of Plasmodium vivax are formed from oocytes. Amphetamines are stimulants of the central nervous system, whereas barbiturates are CNS depressants. Choose the correctly matched fad. Amphetamines, stimulant. The athlete's foot disease in human is caused by fungi. Cirrhosis of liver is caused by chronic intake of alcohol. The sporozoite of malarial parasite is present in saliva of infected female Anopheles mosquito. Paratope is an antigen binding site on variable regions. Allergy involves IgE. Spread of cancerous cells to distant sites is termed as metastasis. AIDS virus has single-stranded RNA. B cells that produce and release large amounts of antibody are called plasma cells. 8th lesson, microbes in human welfare. Which of the following microorganisms is used for production of citric acid in industries? Aspergillus niger. Which of the following fare is correctly matched for the product produced by them? Saccharomyces cerevisiae ethanol. The most common substrate used in distilleries for the production of ethanol, molasses. Cyclosporin A is an immunosuppressive drug produced from Trichoderma polysporum. CO2 is not released during lactate fermentation. The purpose of biological treatment of wastewater is to reduce BOD. The gases produced in anaerobic sludge digesters are methane, hydrogen, sulfide and carbon dioxide. 9th lesson, applications of biotechnology. The first clinical gene therapy was done for the treatment of SCID. Dolly, the sheaf, was obtained by a technique known as cloning by nuclear transfer. The genetic defect adenocentrine deaminase deficiency may be cured permanently by introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into embryo at an early stage of development. How many amino acids are arranged in two chains of insulin? Chain A has 21 and chain B has 30 amino acids. PCR proceeds in three distinct steps governed by temperature. They are in order to denaturation, annealing, synthesis. Which one of the following statements is true regarding DNA polymerase used in PCR? It remains active at a high temperature. ELISA is mainly used for detection of pathogens. Transgenic animals are those which have foreign DNA in all their cells. Vaccines that use components of a pathogenic organism rather than the whole organisms are called subunit recombinant vaccines. Next lesson, 10th lesson, organisms and populations. All populations in a given physical area are defined as biome. Organisms which can survive a wide range of temperature are called euthyms. The interaction in nature where one gets benefit on the expense of other is commensalism. Predation and parasitism are which type of interactions? Plus, minus. Competition between species leads to extinction. Which of the following is on all species insects? Ninth question. The relationship between suckerfish and shark is commensalism. Which of the following is correct for all selected species? Large number of progeny with small size. Animals that can move from freshwater to sea called as catadromous. Some organisms are able to maintain homeostasis by physical means. Regulate. Next lesson, 11th lesson, biodiversity and its conservation. Which of the following region has maximum biodiversity? Tropical forest. Conservation of biodiversity within their natural habitat is in situ conservation. Which one of the following is not coming under in situ conservation? Zoological park. Which of the following is considered a hotspots of biodiversity in India? D, A and C. The organization which published the red list of species is IUCN. Who introduced the term biodiversity? Walter Rosen. Which of the following forests is known as the lungs of the planet Earth? Tundra forest. Amazon rainforest. Which one of the following are at high risk? Amphibians. 12th lesson, environmental issues. First question, right to clean water is a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution, Article 21. The thickness of stratospheric ozone layer is measured in Dobson units. As per 2017 statistics, the highest per capita emitter of carbon dioxide in the world is China. The use of microorganisms metabolism to remove pollutants such as oil spills in the water bodies is known as bioremediation. Which among the following always decreases in food chain across trophic levels? Energy. In the e-waste generated by the mobile phones, which among the following metal is most abundant? Copper. Smog is derived from both A and B. Lung disease. Excess of fluoride in drinking water causes fluorosis. All the lesson 1 mark is covered. You hear again and again. You will get good mark in your public exam and it will be very helpful in all competitive exam. Thank you.